Good morning, gladiators. Today is Wednesday, May 26th. So today we're going to continue on with our hero's journey. We'll be doing stages 4 through 6, trials, approach, and crisis. So you're going to complete your own journey, slides 7 through 9. And then there will be a discussion post. So we talked about call to adventure, assistance, and they have departed. Mentors, sidekicks, and we're going to start here with the road of trials. So if you're thinking about this as a plot mountain, we are now in the rise of action, working our way up to the climax. And there are many trials on the rise of action, and the hero has to experience some miraculous tests or ordeals called the road of trials. There are usually several incidents that affect the hero at this point. The hero sometimes might appear weak and vulnerable, but they also start to show growth. And so you can look at this video that talks about allies and enemies on the road of trials. So now the hero has approached their new world on their quest, and they sometimes have various fantasy realms that they have entered throughout the years. Middle Earth, Oz, Narnia, Wonderland. It could even be outer space, a haunted house, or a matrix. Regardless of the details, the new world is sure to be filled with adventure. So remember that Dorothy, the tornado was her trial. She's overcome the tornado, lands in the wonderful wizard world of Oz. Gandalf the wizard arrives, and then the Star Wars sees the R2-D2's cryptic message. And so this is a good example in Jumanji where they enter the forest of Jumanji and they become new characters. And then we have crisis. Now this would be the climax, the peak of the plot mountain, where the hero has to face the great ordeal. Upon making their approach to the innermost cave, the hero is faced with a task of great and dangerous importance, such as a physical fight, a complex and life-threatening puzzle, or a deep inner conflict. To emerge victorious, the hero must draw upon everything they've learned thus far in their journey, and in some cases they have to make a terrible sacrifice. This moment marks the story's midpoint and the biggest climatic event the hero has experienced. In most cases, the hero will emerge victorious, though not without great cost. And there are some videos here of Kung Fu Panda, Big Hero 6, which you can watch. And we're going to stop there. 2021. So we're going to complete our day 2 of our hero's journey assignment. You're going to describe your hero's trials. You could even describe your hero's villain. Do your villains have superpowers? What does your villain want to gain? How did they turn bad? Remember, you are writing in the form of a story, so this is just the next paragraph in your narrative. Now they're going to approach their innermost cave, or the villain's lair, or the world that they are going to need to, that it'll be their landscape as they fight in the climax. What is this new world your hero is entering before his or her great fight? Describe in detail and maybe include an image that you can find. And then finally, what is the climax or the crisis? Describe in detail the battle your hero is facing. What happens? How are they fighting? Do they have certain, objects that they're using or superpowers? And so you're going to write your climatic paragraph here. And then we are going to continue on with our journey tomorrow. And so there is one last discussion post. Describe your hero's innermost cave using imagery. You have to have imagery in this discussion post for you to get credit. Let's see. Okay, and then we're going to stop here, the facing the great ordeal. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today. Have a great day.